Connecting with SiteGround support is easy and can be done through several methods. Here's a step-by-step guide to reach SiteGround's customer support. Log into your SiteGround account. Go to the SiteGround website and log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to support. Once logged in, click on the Help or Support tab in the main navigation menu. This will take you to the support section where you can access various assistance options. Choose a support category. SiteGround provides a categorized help system. You can either search for answers in the knowledge base or select a category such as billing, technical support, or sales depending on your issue. Contact support via live chat, ticket, or phone. Live chat. For instant support, click the live chat option. This connects you with a SiteGround representative in real time. Submit a ticket. If your issue isn't urgent, submit a ticket. SiteGround offers fast response times, usually within a few hours. Phone support. For more direct communication, SiteGround also provides phone support. You can find the number in the Contact Us section after selecting your issue.